Let's go see our room. This is Disney's Pop Century Resort. This is my view for the evening. Not terrible. You got the Skyliner zipping through in the back over there. Skyliner is also connected to the Art of Animation, which is on the other side of the lagoon right there. We are in Building 2 tonight. We are in room 2240. So, let's see what we got. This is room 2240 at Disney's Pop Century. As always, you get your Hey Disney, Alexa, pretty much their version of Alexa. Murphy bed, pull that down in a minute. Standard refrigerator, window with curtains. As always, a Cuisinart coffee maker. You've got this typical Joffrey's brand coffee, ice bucket, little storage, AC and heat. The TV, as always, that welcomes you every time you check in. And as always, just like the sports resorts, they have the new outlets, which this one does not have the USB-C. You can see that. Interesting. These have the USB one still. Standard king bed. Nightstand. We got the Mickey picture frame in the back. The two lights on the end. Standard bathroom. You got your makeup mirror right there. Larger than life mirror. And as always, Disney sea salt hand soap, napkins, toiletries, little storage unit. I noticed one thing. This is not a storage as it was in sports. Kind of interesting about that, but closet as always, closet. There's more storage on the bottom right there. Put your carry-on, your book bag, camera. The bathroom is a little different. This is the bathroom in the Pop Century. You know, you got your toilet right there. However, this one is the rain shower, but it's also just a shower. No bathtub included with this one. So keep that in mind. Your next booking your Disney vacation. And as always, the Sea Marine, the new soaps at Disney. Other than that, a little different than the sports resort, but not much. The Murphy bed. Let's see who is behind the Murphy bed today. And it is none other than Pluto sleeping. See him dreaming about bones. That's pretty cool. All right, that is the, put this back up. That is the resort today at Pop Century. Be sure to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned to more Disney adventures. With that being said, let's have a magical day.